Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that the equation E of t is equal to 5 times 1.8 to the t gives the estimated number of employees at a restaurant where t is the number of years since the restaurant opened. And we're asked, which of the following is the best interpretation of the number 5 in this context? So to understand what 5 actually represents, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, we're going to plug in t is equal to 0, right? We're going to do that into this equation. So we have E of t equals 5 times 1.8 to the t. So therefore, plugging in 0 gives E of 0 is equal to 5 times 1.8 to the 0. E of 0 is equal to 5 times 1.8 to the 0. 1.8 to the 0 is 1. Any number to the 0th power is equal to 1. So therefore, E of 0 is equal to 5 times 1, which is just 5. So what does the number 5 represent? It represents the value of the function when t is equal to 0. The function is the number of employees at a restaurant, and t is the number of years. So this means 0 years after the restaurant opened, the number of employees is 5. What does it mean 0 years after the restaurant is opened? That means when the restaurant was opened. So 5 represents the estimated number of employees when the restaurant opened. A is going to be your final answer.